Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can find and copy Roblox sound ID in 2025. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you can see we are already in our Roblox platform. So from that place you just need to click over here to the Roblox, and then you just need to click to the create again, and then you will come over to that creator hub, and from that place you just need to click to the store. Once you click over here to the store, you will find out some tasks in here. You just need to select the audio. Once you select the audio, then you will eventually find out a couple of audio in here. So if you want to copy any ID, you just need to be click on of them. So I will click on pop, and then I will select an audio. Let's say we are going to do work with this one. So I will select this one, and then let's click on this one, get be audio. So I will play that one. You can see this one is already played. So I will find out a couple of free ones. So let's go to this new music, and then from that place I will click this one, more info. Just click to the more info, and here we actually you can see the code in above in the address bar. You just need to be copy that code, and in this way you can, like, this is the main code. So in this way you can easily get a code from Roblox audio, and it's called the sound ID. Let's just sound ID for you. So if you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.